Hello, welcome to FitTech. You're with Healthy Eating with Sharan. And today we're going to talk about organic. First of all, what is organic? Organic is foods that are grown the way nature designed them to grow, the way God designed them to grow. That means with no chemicals. And some of us think that this is impossible, but don't you know that forests grow without any chemicals all the time? Plants don't need chemicals just like we don't need supplements and medicines most of the time, right? So, how can we get plants grown really naturally, no fertilizers, no pesticides, and why? Actually, organic should not be called organic, but conventional food should be called chemical food. But it's not that way because if they were called chemical foods, nobody would buy them, right? So, organic has a niche market, and some people ask me, why should we get organic? Because it's more expensive. But here's my answer to that. Organic foods have no chemicals. Chemicals cause hormone disruption, and we have so many hormonal diseases today, like diabetes and hypothyroid and polycystic ovarian and menstrual problems and prostate enlargement, breast and prostate cancer, so many problems, infertility included, right? So how can we make sure that we don't get these diseases and then spend money for doctors and medicines to treat these diseases lifelong? We can do this just by consuming really high quality organic food. And nowadays in India, in most metros, this is available. And if you go to our website, sharan-india.org, you can find a list under Try Vegan of city directories where you can buy organic food. And I have to tell you, organic markets are mushrooming everywhere. Organic shops are mushrooming. Now, they are a little bit more expensive, and that is a concern. But if you ask anyone who's been consuming organic, they will tell you that when you eat organic, you're eating less because the nutrients are higher. So that's also something really amazing, that you can eat less because your body doesn't feel hungry just because you got high quality nutrients, and you save on the amount of food you buy. Also, the most expensive foods are the packaged foods and the pre-prepared foods and the restaurant foods, which are not organic most of the time. And so when we get these out of the way, our food bills anyway go down. And chemicals are also carcinogens, right? I mean, today so many people are getting cancer, and then the chemotherapy, which is another chemical onslaught, is so expensive, and we can avoid such a lot just by eating organic right from the start, right? It's really worth it. Do buy organic. Now, many people say that they don't know whether the food they're buying is truly organic or not. And here's my answer to that. You can easily find out if the farmer is growing foods organically or almost organically just by visiting the farm. Because if you pick up the soil, you will find it full of living creatures, full of life, just like you find the soil in a forest. But if you go to a farm that's grown with chemicals, you will find that the soil is like sand. It's dry, it has no smell, and the plants need to be sprayed all the time. So it's really important not to consume these foods. And if you don't have the chance to go to the farm, then here's a way you can find out. Most of the organic shops don't have fruits and vegetables every day. Why don't they have it when the market is full of them? Because they're really trying to source organic, right? And once you start eating that organic food, you will be able to taste the difference. Most of us have heard our seniors say that food doesn't taste the way it used to. Haven't we all heard that? And that's just because food now is not grown organically. But we can eat organic foods and have food taste just like it used to. So, this is to your health. Wish you health always. Always choose organic if you have a choice. Bye for now.